Hi guys, welcome back to another video and a very special video with a very special car which has a very special number. So all in all a very special model which I'll be showcasing you today. ज़्यादा जो एक चीज़ इस मॉडल को स्पेशल बना देती है कि this is not very commonly available in the market right now. It is just around the corner. So the number, as I mentioned, this is like super special. This is number 777 and the car is McLaren 720S Liberty Works. So the Liberty Walk McLaren 720S. अभी थोड़ा इसको डिटेल में पहले पैकेजिंग को देखते हैं एंड देन विल अनबॉक्स द मॉडल. आई वाज रियली सरप्राइज्ड. अभी आप देखोगे कि जब गाड़ियां कौन कौन सी आई हैं इस शिपमेंट में. सो वी गॉट अ पेयर ऑफ लैम्बोर्गिनीज व्हिच आई वाज रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट. ये जो ग्रीन वाली आपकी GT3 है या फिर ये ब्लू जो स्टेराटो है एंड देन वी हैड द पर्पल पोर्शा. सो एंड देन वी हैड अ बुगाटी ऑल्सो. तो गाड़ियां इतनी ज्यादा सारी हाइप्ड थी. द लीस्ट हाइप्ड प्रॉबली वॉज द R34 GTR. वो भी इस वजह से क्योंकि वो लगातार 2 महीनों से आ रही है तो शायद कुछ लोगों को थोड़ा उसका चार्म फेड हो गया हो. बट येस, आई वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज, प्लेजेंटली सरप्राइज टू सी द नंबर ऑफ कमेंट्स आई रिसीव्ड फॉर दिस स्पेसिफिक मॉडल. अ लॉट ऑफ यू हैव प्री ऑर्डर्ड इट. यू आर वेटिंग टू सी हाउ इट लुक्स इन पर्सन. सो लेट्स गो. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर बिकॉज आई विल बी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू. दिस नंबर इज very special. I mean, I really like this. For some reason it is very appealing to me. And yesterday when I posted this, I received a lot of thala for a reason comments. So if you're a cricket fan, you'll enjoy that. Now we come on here, Mini GT McLaren. So now we come on to the color scheme of the box, which is black and gray. The classic Mini GT logo is in this gray color. Beautiful picture of the car over here, and over here you've got the important details that this is ages 14 plus, not for children under 14, and that this is an accurate scale model and this is not a toy. What is really exciting to see over here at the rear is that you get this McLaren official product sticker, which means that this has been licensed from McLaren as well as Liberty Walk. So you get the Liberty Walk branding over here on the side, and then you've got a pair of McLaren badges. So this is the official product sticker, which is generally seen on official McLaren products, and over here on the box also McLaren is printed that this is an officially licensed model. Details and barcode and product code are mentioned here. We'll quickly unbox this. I'll definitely be posting a short unboxing video on my YouTube shorts and reels. And another thing, very happy to tell you guys that when last time I think I had made a video about the Black Vision GT by Bugatti, in that one of my subscribers had commented that, you know what, black gloves would have been perfect for a black car. So this time I have tried to take these out. You let me know these do the job well, and we'll probably try to use these for future unboxing videos, maybe black cars, or you can comment if we should use these for other colors also. I am also using them for a very selfish reason which I'll come to in a bit after opening the car. Here we go. We take it out of the blister. Very nice and tightly packed. Definitely one thing to notice here is that the shape of the blister, if you look at it over here, if you look at the shape of the blister, you'll see that this has got a pair of indents. So the front one is for the very wide rear view mirrors, and this rear part over here pretty deep, this is for the wing. Keeping the blister and packaging out of the way, now I'll quickly show you the model itself. This is a very freely rolling model. This is a very freely rolling model. So here let's have a look first the side of the car. I think I have to appreciate first of all how black this car is. Literally everything is black in this car, including the wheels, and the wheels, they are so well done. The classic Liberty Walk slogan, motto, however you want to call it. I've got a few other cars with this. Imagine all the people living life in peace. I'll be honest with you, right now the camera is closer to the car than my eyes are, and this is such a small car that I need to really strain my eyes to see what exactly is written. So yes, that is the level of detail on such a small car. All the details otherwise, I mean, if you probably see here or you see here, I'll quickly remove my fingers because it's such a small car that usually if I point around it ends up taking all of the screen space. So yes, this is just beautiful. I love the color scheme, and of course I have to talk about the mirrors. Probably this will be a great angle to show you guys. They are super flexible. I hope you guys can see. won't toy around too much, otherwise we risk breaking those also. Now we'll talk about the front, and I think definitely what is the most exciting bit about this car is that first of all it is a McLaren 720S. I remember when it was launched, even the stock car, it felt like an alien, it felt like it was something out of this world. And then we've all seen these Liberty Walk cars, so they took something which was already very extreme, very radical, and they turned it into something even more revolutionary, like they have been doing with some of the best cars out there in the world. I don't think a lot of people have the courage like Liberty Walk does with F40s and Lamborghini Miuras. This is also a very good example. Just beautiful details up here in the front also. I always do this angle so that you can appreciate the details probably of the hood and all the windscreen detailing. Very nice quality plastic used. The aero bits in the side here, I'm really grateful that I'm using these gloves, because my other gloves, they have a lot of thread count. Its threads just keep catching onto these aero bits. Now I'll quickly turn the car around and I'll show you the rear of this car. The eye-catching part definitely has to be the rear wing. It's just beautiful. We've got amazing tail lamp detailing. First eye-catching part about the rear has to be the big wing which this car has. Then the tail lamp detailing is actually pretty good. I am really not sure. I don't think that is a plastic insert. It looks like it's a decal, but because it's a black car, that red really pops. Exhaust detailing and all the badging, that is also very well done. In fact, I probably do this angle and you can see that over here below the wing you've got Liberty Walk written. Another very good angle to appreciate this car from has to be the top angle, where from the hood till the rear you can look at all the amazing details which this car has. Probably have not spoken too much about the wheels. They are very nice. I absolutely love these. The design is very unique and these get rubber tires. So I'll probably remove the tires to show you. You can see right here that these get rubber tires. Finally, the last thing which we come on to is the base, and the base is proper metallic. It's got some moderate details. It is not really very plain, but it is also not having too many details. It's just somewhere in the middle, but it has got all the necessary information which you'll probably want it to be there in case you have got this car stored loose. You've got the name of the car, the name of the brand, and also the country of origin. At the top over here also you can notice that this part, just like the real car, they have used that special translucent material which is available in the real car also. And overall over here also you can see the engine cover. The detailing is pretty decent for a 64 scale car. So this is it, guys. This is a short first look, what we can call, of the Mini GT McLaren 720S Liberty Works in black color. This is a super iconic car, and this has been turned into something even more iconic by Liberty Walk. So if we talk about this car, I totally get what was the hype around it, why so many people requested me to make the video of this car as soon as possible, because it's a very special car. Then we've got something as crazy and unique as Liberty Walk working on it. And then of course the 64 scale model is being made by Mini GT, which makes some very good models in the 64 scale world. Having said that, what did you think about this model? Do you find it good enough to add it to your collection? Have you pre-ordered it? If yes, which color did you like? I think I received a comment from Sagar that he has ordered the purple one. Let me know all of this in the comments, and once again, thank you for watching.